Evening to you and viewers at home. First and foremost, one would like to start by passing or extending our heartfelt condolences to the families that has lost their loved ones. It is indeed hard and difficult times for us as a nation, as KZN and Durban in particular. It is heartbreaking that in times like this, you will find some individuals who want to pocket out of the devastation that we find ourselves in as a nation. They come and pretend as if they are going to assist families by donating funerals, but at the end of the day, they will go behind closed doors and launch claims against the metro.
So tell us also about higher prices for funerals. Is that something that you've also found in the industry, that people are charging higher rates for funerals because they know that people are in need and that there will be a higher demand for burials in the coming days and weeks?
Look, as an association, we've always been clear about this. And we have always fought very hard, not only to protect the industry, but to protect those who are supporting the industry, being the members of the general public. Indeed, there are funeral undertakers who always take chances with the situation from time to time. You know, you have an undertaker who doesn't even have a capacity, claiming that they are getting about 20 bodies, yet they don't even have capacity to carry out such, services. So we are very vigilant as an association. We want to ensure that those who get bodies deserve to get those bodies and are able to, at the end of the day, to deliver the necessary service to the members of the public. At the end of the day, this is not only a matter of undertakers who are taking chances, but it's also involved members of the metro and some government employees as well, who are forming some kind of a syndicate group who work together to pocket each and every time when things like this happen. It's not the first time. In fact, even during the looting, we had some people who were said to be donating, but only to find that after that they went and made claims with the government or with the metro. In fact, Ethekwini Metro has pronounced that they will be assisting all families that have lost their loved ones. So if and when undertakers want to donate, they should do that through their associations, not as an individual, so as to protect the members of the public who may, in the end, turn and become victims of such undertakers.
Look, that's not the case at the moment. As you say, some practitioners are taking part in dubious practices. So in order to protect the public, are you able to name these practitioners or alternatively give them advice on how to protect themselves and prevent from falling into these kinds of traps?
Unfortunately, we noted at liberty to pronounce people's names and stuff like that. But all we can say is that to the members of the public, when someone comes and as an undertaker and say they want to donate, they must do that, yes, but they must do that through their association. Nobody. In fact, the Ethekwini Metro has pronounced that there won't be burials taking place this weekend. Fortunately, we managed to speak to them because we don't just sit around and say, now we hear in the news that the cemeteries and graves have been washed away, bodies have ascended from the graves. Yes, there were such. We've taken our time to visit cemeteries and see the state of the cemeteries, and we were able to identify the amount of damages that are there. In fact, we're convinced that they can just close certain sections of the cemetery and allow burials to proceed on other sections that were not affected. We have spoken to Metro. They understand our position, and fortunately for us, the burials did not stop. It continued. They've never stopped allowing burials to take place.
Thank you so much for your time and for speaking to us. That was Muzi Hlengwa, National Funeral Practitioners Association President.